Now it's off.
Okay.
I heard a motor go off. That's what I have at home, but you know how much the box of, I think, 10 or 12 in there. Should have gone to New Hampshire.
That's all you guys. I don't go to New Hampshire. I just reap the benefits. We are outside.
Did you go with me one year in New Hampshire?
A long time ago. One time. Yeah.
I'm hearing fireworks.
Nick's going to Pennsylvania.
Recently,
He likes to drive.
Over there, Shane.
firework found. Another firework found. Firework found. Firework found.
They get good ones.
Firework found. Keep looking. Don't worry. After your phone is charged again, I'll send you the.
Yeah, I know. I don't know where to look. Neither is ours. She's spinning in circles. Oh, over here. Cool, mine's over here. Or they're just closer. I don't know.
The water sign is over here.
Yeah, these people were setting off car alarms yesterday. Oh, no. I heard it. I didn't see it, but I heard it.
My phone will need to recharge.
Yeah, mine's dead too. Take a video of Zari. Zari dancing. Zaria! You see firework?
Decreasing phone's brightness and phone's volume to 0.
Next year. If I knew, I would have set up a picnic, got some bug spray.
Keep looking, Mom.
She loves it.
Bye.
There they go.
I'm glad I'm recording this so I can add this to YouTube.
Yeah.